Okay, here's I do believe a 62 Pontiac Laurentian 4-door. It's actually a pretty solid and complete car. I guess it was somebody's hot rod back in the day. They louvered the fire or the hood. It looked actually pretty good. It's just too bad it's got a crease in there. I guess somebody walked on it or something's happened. And somebody did French in an antenna.
Actually,
Chrome reverse rims, old one.
nice, almost rust free.
Yeah, it's actually a pretty decent
It could
car.
be Bondo underneath there.
Yeah, but yeah, that sounds like metal. It's actually probably a pretty decent car. You want to talk about a panty peeler? That's what this car would have been. Actually, a nice dash in this. This one's in better shape than most of the other ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, doors go line up and they close nicely, and oh, that one's locked. You can see it's pushed down.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it's just a regular small block in it somebody's put in. If you're actually make a pretty neat cruiser. You need a new fender. This one's kind of effed up. It hit something. But yeah, it's a pretty neat car. Like I said, not everybody likes 4-doors, but hey, 2-doors are getting harder and harder to find these days, and so hey, 4-doors better than nothing. Better than driving a Neon.
Better than driving this thing.
Yeah, actually, if I had to pick between the two, yeah, I know Derek says the Camaro, but I'd go with the 4-door.
Yeah, this one's
This car's actually pretty solid.
solid. Haven't checked the floor.
No, but
I don't want to peel back the carpet.
actually the floor seems solid. There is actually a floor. Yeah, actually it's not a bad car. Oh, let's play. See what's in the glove box. Might not be. Anyway, on to the next one. This car's actually pretty decent. The 4-seat both in it, too. Okay, here's another Pontiac. I'm gonna say early to mid 70s. I'm not too sure. It's a big ass car. She's really rotten and it's coming apart at all the seams.
The bumper is being held on by hopes and dreams and probably some bubble gum.
I honestly didn't even know this car was here till like a year or so ago. I shit you not. But it's rough. I think it's cool as dang. But it's rough.
Yeah, it's missing most of the quarter.
And it's rough. Like this side's bad. The door separated from it.
Well,
This fan back here, I'm pretty sure it was installed not from the dealership, but when you're making out with your lady friend there and it gets a little warm, maybe you can cool things down.
and as you can see by the burntness over here, maybe it got a little too warm.
But yeah, this way you can see the ground. It's actually a nice car. I don't think I've ever seen one on the road, but I like it. It's a good, badass looking car. That's my piece.
Take a look. Those tires have been bald. It's very cramped. Seat covers. We cannot play what's in the glove box because can't get to it.
I think the car's neater than. It's got good lines. If you sight down the side of it, it's actually pretty nice. It's a gentleman's hot rod. Oh. Another small block Chevy. Now I'm not even gonna attempt to. No. I'm gonna say that is locked up. You've got a pollution pump. Look at that, eh? It's all complete, but man, it's rotten. It's fugly.
Yeah, it's just a big 70s boat.
This would be an awesome
Land yacht.
This would be an awesome enduro car.
You gotta wiggle, I think.
Oh, yeah, there we go. I think the car's needed. It's a pretty cool car, but it's rotten. But anyway, I figured I'd like to talk about it. I'm not sure exactly what year it is. I'm sure people will tell me, but I'm gonna say mid 70s-ish, 74 maybe, 3. I don't know.
It doesn't have 5-mile-per-hour bumpers, I don't think.
Yeah, so but it's cool. Way better than this Monte Carlo. Chevy's low point in the 70s.
You know, when your trunk rusts that bad, there's a problem. Even the license plate holder rusted out.
It came from Ontario, so what do you expect? Yeah. Anyway. Okay, here's another one. It's a 46 to 47 Pontiac. I could be off because it's not a lot of pieces go off by this, but I'm pretty sure it's 46, 47. Rick bought a few years ago at an auction. I think he paid around $300 for it. Whoever started working on it, they already put a newer GM 10-bolt rear end in the back. And it's actually a pretty solid car. All the parts are inside, even the sun visor. But what's really pissed me off, and I don't like to swear too much, but it fucking pissed me off. This roof was nice and some kids actually jumped on it. And I don't like to swear too much on here, but that really pissed me off. That's going to take a lot of work to try to straighten out.
Those are the taillights that everyone's putting on their Model A's, right?
Well, those are 50 Pontiacs.
Close enough.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's extra glass or more glass.
It could be the glass out here, I'm not too sure. Speedometer. Like I said, this car I think is actually pretty solid. I've kind of always liked these cars. Just rubbing up against the front fender. It even has the original heater underneath the dash.
All the door handles are on this side at least.
Yeah, like I said, this car is actually fairly solid.
Wing windows, I think you crank them out and then you can crank them down also. Bumper, front bumper.
Also, I'm not sure if you guys get these little things in your neck of the woods. Man, these things are sharp. When they puncture
Thorn bushes.
Thorn bushes, man, they hurt like the dickens. Whew. But yeah, the fenders are super nice shape. Like I said, somebody put a newer 10-bolt rear end in it. And I was underneath it before, and actually whoever did nice work. Like I said, the car is actually pretty solid. Like I said, what really pissed me off is when somebody jumped on the roof. That just created a whole bunch more work for whoever, but I'm not sure how difficult. I won't try popping the hood, but I'm not sure how difficult it is with putting a small block in these. Oh, is it right there? Yeah, I'll let it be. It ain't hurting anything being closed.
There's nothing in there.
Like I said, it's a super nice car. I like them. A lot of people have customized them over the years and whatnot, but like I said, it really pissed me off when we came here one day and seen somebody jumped on the roof. But anyway, hope you like this little episode about some other Pontiacs around here. Have a good one, guys. Like and subscribe.